this is about knowing when a large order is going to get traded through. I'll bring the ladder up so you can see the large order. And here we go. There's your large order in the bund. 3,600 lot at the high. Not something you would normally see. Much, much bigger than anything else. Now there's a few important things here. This large order had sat there for a long period of time. When you saw it come up here to 54s, here to 55s, and then the final time up to 56s, the order was always there. The first time you get there, remember we're on the back of a very, very strong up move. This is a good opportunity to sell it ahead of this large order and go for a bit of a profit take. An expectation that longer position or longer term positions may well use that as a profit take opportunity. So it gives you a front run. Get ahead of it and you get this pullback which drops down towards 27s. Now what you've got to be considering is what then happens. We go back. Are people going to sell it again? It worked the first time, people will sell it the second time. The second time we drop, we only drop as far as 31. So now you're going to have some people who are looking for a break of 27 and are not getting it. So you're getting a building up of short positions just ahead of the large order. What's also important is the T-note hits a high at the same time as the bund hits the 55s, 56s, which crucially is much higher than the equivalent high the last time. So when bund first hits 54s, T-note's trading down here at 14s. The next time we go there, T-note's trading at 20s. So T-note's showing a bit more strength in the bund already, which is an indication that this large order is effectively stopping the market. So when do you go for the break of it? Well, we go back there once more, and this time you don't get any reaction. We sit very, very close. The furthest that it will come back from the 54 area is to around about 49, so you're getting 5 ticks. And so what's happening now is people selling ahead of that large order are now stuck. They're not getting paid for it at all. Whereas every time they've sold it previously, they've been getting 20 ticks plus on this move. They're looking, anyone who's short or still short is looking for a breakdown here, not to take 5 ticks on this. So you're now getting an accumulation of short positions. Chances are you've now got more people short than that 3,600. So if we start trading into it, everyone who's short is then going to try and buy to close out that short position for as limited a loss as possible. We're also at record highs. So there's no levels above there. There's very little reason to then just have offers higher unless you're long trying to get out. So if this breaks, you're expecting a relatively clean move to the upside as people just stop out those who have got short and tried to get short the last time where we've just nudged 50s and just pulled back in this range. They're the ones who are going to come out. So this is stops move. It's not necessarily going to be boom stops as such like we've seen previously in DAX and gold. It's more going to be a case of people scrambling to get out. So you may get a first skip as the first few actual stops go off, and then you'll just get a progressive buy because there's very little reason to want to sell here. There's no levels, there's nothing else to be going on. I'll play this for you and you'll be able to see what happens.